Nefertiti lived during the 18th dynasty of ancient Egypt, one of the most powerful era the civilization had ever known. She became the great royal wife of Pharaoh Akhenaten, a ruler who would forever change Egypt. Her origins remain unclear. Some believe she was born into nobility, others believe she came from outside the royal bloodline. But what is certain is that she rose to a position no Egyptian queen had ever led before. Unlike other royal wives, Nefertiti was not hidden behind palace walls. She stood beside the pharaoh, publicly, politically, and spiritually. Ancient carvings show her performing sacred rituals, wearing the crown of authority, striking enemies of Egypt. This was not symbolic. Nefertiti ruled. She was more than a queen. She was power. Together with Akhenaten, Nefertiti led one of the most radical revolutions in human history. Egypt abandoned its many gods. Temples were closed. Priests lost their power. The capital was moved to a new city, Akhenaten, built solely for the worship of the sun. And at the center of this revolution stood Nefertiti, not as a follower, but as a divine representative of the sun itself. In 1912, archaeologists uncovered a masterpiece buried beneath the sands of Egypt, the bust of Queen Nefertiti. Perfect symmetry, grace, elegance, eyes that seem alive. This single image transformed how the modern world saw ancient Egypt. But this was no accident of art. Her image was designed to inspire, to reflect divine perfection, to command loyalty. Beauty was her weapon. Then, without warning, Nefertiti vanished. Historical record falls silent around the 12th year of Akhenaten's reign. No tomb, no death inscription, no farewell. Some believe she died suddenly. Others believe something far more shocking, that Nefertiti became Pharaoh herself, ruling Egypt under a different name. Her disappearance remains one of the history's greatest unsolved mysteries. After Akhenaten's death, Egypt returned to its old gods. The Aten Revolution was destroyed. Statues were smashed, names were erased, memories were buried. Nefertiti was deliberately removed from history, but legends do not die so easily. Today, Nefertiti is more than a queen of this past. She is a symbol of feminine power, of beauty with authority, of a woman who challenged gods, kings, and traditions. Her image influences art, fashion, and culture across the world. 3,000 years later, are still rules. Queen, rebel, mystery. Nefertiti was not just the most beautiful woman of ancient Egypt. She was its most dangerous secret, and her history will never truly fade.